Question 1. A train travels at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. How long will it take to travel 180 miles? Is it A, 3.5 hours? B, 2 hours? C, 4 hours? D, 3 hours? The correct answer is D, time equals distance divided by speed. Dividing 180 miles by 60 miles per hour gives 3 hours. Keeping the units consistent lets the miles cancel and leaves hours. Question 2. If 5 pounds of apples cost $4, how much do 12 pounds cost at the same rate? Is it A, $8.40? B, $12? C, $10? D, $9.60? The correct answer is D. The unit price is $4 divided by 5 pounds, or 80 cents per pound. Multiplying 80 cents by 12 pounds gives $9.60. Setting up a proportion produces the same result. Question 3. What is 25% of 240? Is it A, 80? B, 60? C, 72? D, 48? The correct answer is B, 25% is the same as 1/4. Dividing 240 by 4 gives 60. You could also multiply 240 by 0.25 to reach the same value. Question 4. A recipe uses flour and sugar in a ratio of 3 to 1. If you use 9 cups of flour, how many cups of sugar are needed? Is it A, 6 cups? B, 12 cups? C, 1 cup? D, 3 cups? The correct answer is D. The ratio 3 to 1 means 3 parts flour for every 1 part sugar. Since 9 cups of flour is 3 times the base part of 3, the sugar is also tripled from 1 to 3 cups. Ratios scale both quantities by the same factor. Question 5. The average of 4 test scores is 85. 3 of the scores are 80, 90, and 85. What is the 4th score? Is it A, 80? B, 85? C, 95? D, 90? The correct answer is B. An average of 85 over 4 tests means the total is 85 times 4, or 340. The 3 known scores add to 255, so the 4th score is 340 minus 255, which equals 85. Question 6. A worker can assemble 8 units per hour. How many units can 3 workers assemble in 5 hours at that rate? Is it A, 120 units? B, 40 units? C, 80 units? D, 160 units? The correct answer is A. 1 worker makes 8 units per hour, so 3 workers make 24 units per hour. Over 5 hours, that is 24 times 5, which equals 120 units. Rate times number of workers times time gives total output. Question 7. A jacket originally priced at $80 is discounted 15%. What is the sale price? Is it A, $76? B, $65? C, $72? D, $68? The correct answer is D, 15% of $80 is $12. Subtracting the $12 discount from $80 leaves a sale price of $68. You can also multiply $80 by 0.85 to get the same answer. Question 8. You deposit $500 in an account earning 4% simple interest per year. How much interest is earned in 3 years? Is it A, $80? B, $60? C, $20? D, $40? The correct answer is B. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time. That is $500 times 0.04 times 3, which equals $60. Simple interest is calculated only on the original principal. Question 9. Two cars start from the same point and drive in opposite directions at 40 miles per hour and 55 miles per hour. How far apart are they after 2 hours? Is it A, 95 miles? B, 110 miles? C, 150 miles? D, 190 miles? The correct answer is D. Their combined separation speed is 40 plus 55, or 95 miles per hour. After 2 hours they are 95 times 2, which equals 190 miles apart. Opposite directions mean the speeds add. Question 10. A map uses a scale of 1 inch to 25 miles. Two towns are 4.5 inches apart on the map. What is the actual distance? Is it A, 90 miles? B, 125 miles? C, 112.5 miles? D, 100 miles? The correct answer is C. Each inch represents 25 miles, so multiply 4.5 inches by 25 miles per inch. That product is 112.5 miles. Scale problems are solved with a direct proportion. Question 11. A rectangular room is 12 feet long and 9 feet wide. If carpet costs $3 per square foot, what is the total cost to carpet the room? Is it A, $108? B, $324? C, $396? D, $252? The correct answer is B. The floor area is length times width, or 12 times 9, which equals 108 square feet. Multiplying 108 square feet by $3 per square foot gives $324. Question 12. A store sells 6 bottles of water for $9. What is the cost of one bottle? Is it A, $1.75? B, $1.20? C, $1.50? D, $2? The correct answer is C. Dividing the total price of $9 by 6 bottles gives $1.50 per bottle. Unit price is found by dividing total cost by the number of items. Question 13. In a class of 30 students, 3/5 are girls. How many boys are in the class? Is it A, 15? B, 12? C, 18? D, 10? The correct answer is B. 3/5 of 30 is 18 girls. Subtracting 18 girls from 30 total students leaves 12 boys. The fraction of boys is the remaining 2/5 of 30, which also equals 12. Question 14. A meal costs $40 before tax. If sales tax is 8%, what is the total amount paid? Is it A, $48? B, $44.80? C, $43.20? D, $42? The correct answer is C. 8% of $40 is $3.20 in tax. Adding the tax to the $40 meal gives a total of $43.20. Multiplying $40 by 1.08 gives the same total. Question 15. A tank holds 240 gallons and is being filled at 8 gallons per minute. How many minutes will it take to fill the empty tank? Is it A, 24 minutes? B, 40 minutes? C, 30 minutes? D, 32 minutes? The correct answer is C. Dividing the 240-gallon capacity by the fill rate of 8 gallons per minute gives 30 minutes. Time equals total amount divided by rate. Question 16. If 168 pencils are packed equally into boxes of 12, how many boxes are needed? Is it A, 14? B, 16? C, 18? D, 12? The correct answer is A. Dividing 168 pencils by 12 pencils per box gives exactly 14 boxes. Because 12 times 14 equals 168, there is no remainder and no extra box is required. Question 17. Abundant most nearly means, is it A, scarce? B, costly? C, hidden? D, plentiful? The correct answer is D. Abundant describes something existing in large quantity or great supply. Plentiful is its closest synonym. Scarce is an antonym meaning in short supply. Question 18. Cautious most nearly means, is it A, reckless? B, cheerful? C, curious? D, careful? The correct answer is D. Cautious means acting with care to avoid danger or mistakes. Careful is the nearest match. Reckless is the opposite, meaning careless. Question 19. Vacant most nearly means, is it A, empty? B, dirty? C, locked? D, crowded? The correct answer is A. Vacant means not occupied or containing nothing. Empty is the closest synonym. A vacant lot or apartment has no one in it. Question 20. Fatigue most nearly means, is it A, hunger? B, tiredness? C, anger? D, strength? The correct answer is B. Fatigue is a state of extreme weariness or exhaustion, usually from exertion. Tiredness is its nearest meaning. It is the opposite of feeling energetic. Question 21. Rigid most nearly means, is it A, warm? B, flexible? C, stiff? D, smooth? The correct answer is C. Rigid means stiff and unable to bend easily. Stiff is the closest synonym. Flexible is the antonym, describing something that bends readily. Question 22. Conceal most nearly means, is it A, gather? B, clean? C, reveal? D, hide? The correct answer is D. To conceal something is to keep it out of sight or secret. Hide is its nearest synonym. Reveal is the opposite, meaning to show. Question 23. Ample most nearly means, is it A, sufficient? B, tiny? C, broken? D, rapid? The correct answer is A. Ample means more than enough or fully adequate in amount. Sufficient captures this meaning of an adequate supply. It is the opposite of insufficient. Question 24. Diminish most nearly means, is it A, repair? B, brighten? C, expand? D, decrease? The correct answer is D. To diminish is to make or become smaller or less. Decrease is the closest synonym. Expand, meaning to grow larger, is its antonym. Question 25. Novice most nearly means, is it A, expert? B, leader? C, trader? D, beginner? The correct answer is D. A novice is a person new to a field or activity. Beginner is the nearest match. An expert, being highly skilled, is the opposite. Question 26. Verify most nearly means, is it A, confirm? B, delay? C, forget? D, deny? The correct answer is A. To verify is to check or prove that something is true or accurate. Confirm is the closest synonym. Deny is an antonym meaning to reject as untrue. Question 27. Hostile most nearly means, is it A, quiet? B, unfriendly? C, welcoming? D, wealthy? The correct answer is B. Hostile describes an unfriendly or antagonistic attitude. Unfriendly is the nearest meaning. Welcoming is the opposite. Question 28. Fragment most nearly means, is it A, engine? B, piece? C, signal? D, whole? The correct answer is B. A fragment is a small broken-off part of something larger. Piece is the closest synonym. It contrasts with a whole or complete object. Question 29. Prohibit most nearly means, is it A, measure, B, forbid, C, praise, D, allow? The correct answer is B. To prohibit something is to formally forbid it by rule or law. Forbid is the nearest synonym. Allow is the antonym, meaning to permit. Question 30. Sturdy most nearly means, is it A, strong, B, fragile, C, distant, D, gentle? The correct answer is A. Sturdy means solidly built and strong. Strong is the closest match. Fragile, meaning easily broken, is its opposite. Question 31. Vivid most nearly means, is it A, heavy, B, bright, C, silent, D, dull? The correct answer is B. Vivid describes something bright, intense, or strikingly clear. Bright is the nearest synonym. Dull is the antonym, meaning lacking brightness. Question 32. Assemble most nearly means, is it A, sell, B, gather, C, scatter, D, ignore? The correct answer is B. To assemble is to bring or come together into a group or whole. Gather is the closest synonym. Scatter is the opposite, meaning to spread apart. Question 33. The human body loses water constantly through breathing, sweating, and digestion. To stay healthy, this lost water must be replaced by drinking fluids and eating foods that contain water. According to the passage, why must people drink fluids? Is it A, to replace water the body loses? B, to improve eyesight? C, to build stronger muscles? D, to gain more energy? The correct answer is A. The passage states the body constantly loses water and that this loss must be replaced. The correct choice restates that idea directly. The other options are not mentioned in the passage. Question 34. Recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills. It also saves energy, because making products from recycled materials often uses less power than making them from raw materials. One benefit of recycling mentioned in the passage is that it, is it A, saves energy, B, raises product prices, C, creates more landfills, D, uses more raw materials? The correct answer is A. The passage says recycling saves energy since recycled materials often require less power. That matches the correct choice. The remaining options contradict the passage. Question 35. A good study routine includes setting a regular time and place. Studying in the same spot each day helps the brain associate that location with focus, making it easier to concentrate. The passage suggests that studying in the same place each day helps a person to, is it A, avoid taking notes, B, finish homework faster, C, concentrate more easily, D, study fewer subjects? The correct answer is C. The passage explains that a consistent location helps the brain associate it with focus, making concentration easier. The correct answer restates this. The other choices are not supported. Question 36. Firefighters wear heavy protective suits made of flame-resistant material. These suits shield the wearer from intense heat, but they are also very hot and tiring to work in. According to the passage, one drawback of the protective suits is that they, is it A, cannot be cleaned, B, are hot and tiring to wear, C, are too thin, D, catch fire easily? The correct answer is B. The passage notes that although the suits protect against heat, they are hot and tiring to work in. That is the drawback described. The other options are not stated. Question 37. Bees play a vital role in agriculture. As they move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they carry pollen between plants, allowing many crops to produce fruit. The passage indicates that bees help crops by, is it A, eating harmful insects? B, keeping the ground warm? C, carrying pollen between plants? D, watering the soil? The correct answer is C. The passage states bees carry pollen from flower to flower, which allows crops to produce fruit. That matches the correct choice. The other answers are not mentioned. Question 38. Reading aloud to young children builds their vocabulary. Hearing new words in context helps children understand meanings and remember the words later. According to the passage, hearing words in context helps children to, is it A, speak more quietly? B, read silently? C, write neatly? D, understand and remember words? The correct answer is D. The passage says that hearing new words in context helps children grasp meanings and recall the words later. The correct option restates this. The others are not supported. Question 39. Regular exercise strengthens the heart. A stronger heart pumps blood more efficiently, which can lower a person's resting heart rate over time. The passage states that a stronger heart, is it A, requires more oxygen? B, pumps blood more efficiently? C, shrinks in size? D, beats faster at rest? The correct answer is B. The passage explains that a stronger heart pumps blood more efficiently and can lower the resting heart rate. That matches the correct choice, while the others contradict the passage. Question 40. Many plants close their leaves or flowers at night. This response helps protect the plant from cold temperatures and reduces water loss during dark hours. According to the passage, closing at night helps plants by, is it A, attracting more insects? B, growing taller quickly? C, reducing water loss? D, producing more seeds? The correct answer is C. The passage says that closing at night protects plants from cold and reduces water loss. The correct answer reflects this. The remaining choices are not mentioned.